Apple's latest budget-friendly iPhone, the iPhone 16e, has been out for a while now, giving users plenty of time to explore its features. However, a frustrating issue has come to light with many owners reporting problems with Bluetooth audio. Complaints have been piling up on Apple's support community and Reddit, with users saying that their Bluetooth headphones or speakers randomly cut out while playing music, podcasts, or calls. The odd thing? Other iPhones don't seem to have this problem with the same Bluetooth devices, making it clear that the issue is specific to the iPhone 16e. A closer look at these reports suggests that the problem might be related to multiple Bluetooth connections. Many affected users have noticed that the audio stuttering starts when their phone is connected to more than one Bluetooth device at a time. For example, someone using Bluetooth earbuds with their iPhone 16e might experience perfect audio until they also connect a smartwatch or fitness tracker. One user shared that their headphones worked fine until they paired a Fitbit, at which point the audio started cutting out. Another person had the same issue when using an Oura Ring alongside Bluetooth earbuds, but once they disconnected the ring, the problem disappeared. Some users, thinking it was a hardware defect, returned their iPhone 16e for a replacement, only to find that the new device had the exact same problem. This strongly suggests that the issue is not related to faulty hardware, but rather a software bug in iOS. If that's the case, a fix could come in a future software update. However, Apple has not yet publicly addressed the problem, leaving users wondering when or if it will be resolved. Unfortunately, the latest iOS update, which was released recently, did not include a fix for this issue. This means that those affected may have to wait for iOS 18.4, which is expected to roll out in April. The good news is that users who are part of Apple's beta program and have installed the early version of iOS 18.4 have reported that the problem seems to be resolved in the update. That means a solution is on the way, but it could still take a few more weeks before it reaches all users. This isn't the first time an iPhone has had software-related problems. Issues like this often surface once a device is widely used in real-world conditions. The real concern is how long Apple will take to provide a fix. Other tech companies have faced similar issues and have to release urgent software patches. Google, for example, recently had to push a quick update after a widespread bug in the Messages app caused major disruptions. So what can you do in the meantime? If you're dealing with this Bluetooth issue, try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices while using headphones or speakers. It may help reduce or even eliminate the stuttering. Resetting your Bluetooth settings or restarting your phone might also make a difference, though results seem to vary from user to user. If you're affected, make sure to report the problem to Apple. The more people bring attention to the issue, the more pressure there will be for Apple to prioritize a fix. Have you noticed this issue with your iPhone 16e? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.